Welcome back to Atlanta Capital Cooking. Today we'll be cutting a whole chicken into pieces for frying, baking, or whatever you choose. We'll start off by removing the legs. Find the articulation in the leg joint and cut. Next, we'll move to the wings and remove both. Same process. Find the articulation and cut. Once the wing is removed, I'll also remove the wing tip. Not a lot of meat, so I'll either discard that or put it in the freezer next time I make chicken stock. All right, our wings are removed. Now I will cut down towards the thigh and remove both thighs at once. Once the thighs are removed, I will split them with the butcher knife. Next will be splitting the breast. I like to take the knife and cut along the rib cage and then remove the rest of the backbone and wishbone at the same time. A sharp knife will easily go through the breastbone and cartilage that joins the breast together. Thanks for watching Atlanta Capital Cooking. Hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.